Yes. Hello, Tiana, and hello, Monkhouse. I'm here in the art rooms with a couple of Goddard pupils to give you a few pointers on inter-house art next year. We didn't do too well last year, but we can definitely do this better this year. The key to your drawing is you've got to imagine what you're drawing and vertical lines. Really feel the drawing. I've got a couple of Goddard pupils. Any good guys? Quite clearly, they don't have the monk talent for drawing. Back to you in the assembly, Tiana.
Hello, Tiana. Yes, I'm here at the sports hall because our next event that we could really improve on is the table tennis. We've got a really good chance this year, but we need to focus on two key steps. The first step is going to be reactions, and I'm going to show you how to get better at that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start off slow. See? Nice and easy. And the second step, you have to turn up for the match. Back to you, Tiana.
Hello, Tiana, and hello again, Monkhouse. It would seem as though in recent years, Monk just can't quite compete in chess. We come fourth basically every year, but here's my tips that will make us win next year. You've got to stare your opponent right in the eyes, never break eye contact with him, and you will psych him out.
Checkmate.
Back to you, Tiana.
Are we on? Oh, good. Okay. I'm down here on the rounders pitch because we could really do well in rounders this year. We've got some fantastic women. But in rounders, it is all about your hips. So when you're warming up, you want to stretch your normal muscles as usual. But it's your hips you really want to work on. You really want to get right around those hips. You really, oh, there we go. Yeah, that's better. Okay, right. I'm ready for this. Let's do this. So this, oh, sorry. So this is how you play rounders. Oh, sorry. One last try. And that, ladies, is how you play rounders. Back to you, Tiana.
Tiana? Hello. Welcome to the old gym, Monkhouse. Another event we didn't quite do as well in this year was inter-house dance. So I'm here to show you how to do it. What you've got to do when you're dancing is you've just got to feel the rhythm. Hit it.
Don't you know it's true what they say? That life it ain't easy, but your time's coming around. So don't you stop trying, don't stop, never give up. Hold your head high and reach the top. Let the world see what you have got. Bring it all back to.
Oh, okay. Back to you, Tiana, in the studio.
back is cross country. Last year we came joint first, but this year we want to come very first. So you've really got to get that practice in over the summer. Oh, actually, I think I see Liam coming in just now. All right, Liam.
No.
You're back.
No.
Right. Let's get practicing. See you back at assembly.